Hi kids! In this story, you are going to learn about Charlie Chaplin, a great performer who made lots of funny movies. Charlie Chaplin was only 5 when he first performed on stage. His mother, a performer, lost her voice and invited Charlie on stage to sing in her place. Charlie's ability to entertain impressed the audience so much that at the end of his performance, they gave him a standing ovation. Inspired by this event and determined to be a successful performer, Charlie joined a children's dance group to improve his skills and learn from talented teachers. Spending hours every day practicing dance, acting, and pantomime, Charlie soon developed the iconic character famously known as the tramp. Charlie made his movie debut in 1914 in a film called Making a Living. Then, in 1915, Charlie appeared in the film The Tramp. In this film, Charlie introduced the world to the downtrodden but lovable character for which he is most famous, the tramp. A hardworking and conscientious performer, Charlie was the master of pantomime and comedy. He was also the highest paid actor of the time. Although Charlie's movies are more than 100 years old, people still love watching him perform. Okay kids, now it's your turn. Remember to read the story out loud 3 times. See you in the next video.